In chapter 8, today we will discuss about the uh, transport and communication, and topic of discussion is highways. We know that highway are the part of main public transport system which connect the different cities, different towns, and sometimes it also connect the villages. These highway are the major and significant public roads which are able to carry heavy traffic load. In the world nowadays, automobiles have gained in popularity. The need for adequate and efficient transport system is necessary for promoting economic development, and there is a need of substantial investment on the road infrastructure for the development. These highway are metal road which connect the distant places, constructed in a manner for unobstructed vehicular movement. Highways are wide road around 80 meter with separate traffic lane, separate bridges, flyovers, dual carriageways to facilitate uninterrupted traffic flow. These highways have gained importance because most of the trade and most of the traffic run over these highways. World's 90% of trade takes place over the highways instead of general roads. And these highway have gained benefit to the industries, education institution, tourist centers, hospitals, and also play an indispensable role in the economy for the developed as well as developing countries of the world. These highways are making easier and faster transport system. So the importance of highway cannot be denied nowadays. So now we see the important highways of the world. Very first we will discuss about the North American highway. In North America there is a high density of highway. There is not a single place in north, especially in USA, which is 20 kilometer far away from the national highways. There is an important national highway, that is Trans-Canadian Highway, which connect the Vancouver to St. John City. Alaskan Highway, which connect the Edmonton in Canada to Anchorage in Alaska. Another important highway which is passing through almost the North and South America, the Pan Pacific Highway. Large portion of this highway have been constructed, and this will connect the cities of South and Central America with USA and Canada. When you see in the world map, this is Vancouver at the Pacific coast and St. John City at the Atlantic coast. These two cities are connected by Trans-Canadian Highway. Edmonton of Canada is connected by Anchorage in Alaska by Alaskan Highway. Pan Pacific Highway have been constructed, which is passing through Vancouver, San Francisco of USA, Mexico City. And much of the part has to be still constructed, which will connect the countries of South America like Ecuador, Colombia, Peru, Chile, and this Argentina. Right? When it's come to the highways of Australia, Australia also is having well connected system of highway. One of the important highway of Australia is Transcontinental Stewart Highway, which connect the northern part of Australia to southern part, which is connected here, which is extending from Darwin to Tennant Creek via Alice Spring. This is Darwin of Australia. Melbourne is here. This passes through this like that. And there is one more circular pattern have been constructed along the coastal areas of Australia, right, which is kind of ring road, and the length of this road is around 24,000 kilometer, connecting almost the important cities of Australia. Next, when it's come to Europe also have good transport system and large number of vehicle and well developed highway network have been constructed. But in Australia there is a competition of highway with the railway and waterways. But in Russia there is an important highway that is from Moscow to Vladivostok, and this highway is the part of transcontinental Siberian highway. This is Russia, and it's a Ural mountain. This Moscow Vladivostok from here to this side at the Japan Sea over the Pacific coast. A highway have been constructed, and from Moscow to till Saint Petersburg, right? So there is one more highway. So these two highway is the part of Trans-Siberian Highway, which is running parallel to Trans-Siberian rail line, right? In India, there are many highways like NS7, which is extending from Varanasi to Kanyakumari. This is the largest national highway. Another important highway is the Golden Quadrilateral, which is a super expressway connecting the four important cities of Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, along with Hyderabad and Bengaluru. In China, highways also crisscross the country, connecting almost the major cities such as Tangshan near the Vietnam border, Shanghai in central China, Guangzhou in the south China, Beijing in the north China. A new highway have been constructed which links Chengdu with Lhasa in Tibet. In Africa, there are many highways, but because this continent is one of the backward continents, so good highways are very less, but still some of the highways are very economically important. One highway is from Algiers in the north to Kenkari in Guinea, and similarly one more highway Cairo to Cape Town is like that. One highway is from Algiers, this is Algiers to Guinea, right? And another highway Cairo in Egypt via Ethiopia to till Cape Town, which is connecting almost the capital cities of African countries, right? So these are the important highways. In next topic we will discuss about the railways. Thank you.